Okay.
And there it is, high over the Pacific, America's new ticket to ride to the moon and beyond now in view. Orion under its chutes descending towards splashdown.
Orion coming down to
Orion in the perfect
splash.
orientation for splashdown, just seconds away.
Seconds away. We are live. Zam Goods channel, 12:41 p.m., 11 of December.
1,000 feet.
What? 1,000 feet? We're going down to Alphabet Street. Look at it. It's just falling down with his
500 feet.
Parachutes. And they're splashing down from the moon into the ocean. Ocean is ruled by the moon.
Splashdown.
We got the splashdown live!
From Tranquility Base to Taurus Littrow to the tranquil waters of the Pacific, the
Tranquility.
latest
Remember,
chapter
that's
in NASA's journey to the
Sakina.
moon comes to a close. Orion, back on Earth.
Wow,
Unofficial
26
splashdown
days.
time 11:40 and 30 seconds a.m. Central Time.
Wow, we actually caught it. Look at that. Doesn't that look like the
At a
Gone
mission elapsed time
movie?
of 25 days, 10 hours, 54 minutes, 50 seconds. That's unofficial. Splashing down off the coast of Baja, California.
Really? Baja means down. Baja means down,
The crew
and they
module
just splashed
uprighting
down.
system now being inflated for the
Wow.
bags currently being inflated.
This is a ritual, guys and girls and everybody else, old and young. Splash
And we have a
down in
report
Baja.
that Orion is stable one, upright, the way it should be.
So it's like an opposite being birthed. It's like in reverse. You're birthed from the water. This splashed down into the water from space.
Once again, splashdown occurring at 11:40 a.m. Central Time, 9:40 a.m. Pacific Time, west of Baja, California, after a textbook entry for the Orion spacecraft bringing its 25-and-a-half-day mission to an end.
Of course, it's textbook. Just like you make a textbook, they make a video and show something coming from the sky and tell us it's coming from the moon. And it has on it 3 mannequins, 2 phantom mannequins, one called Campos, the Phantom's mannequins, Phantom Menace mannequins, Mannequin Skywalker. One is called Zohar, the other one's called Helga. And we have the other one, Campos, meaning like a camp
Orion's
field.
recovery beacon is on. We have confirmation that 4 out of the 5 crew module uprighting system bags have fully inflated, standing by for word on the 5th one. But Orion is
Very
in great
fuzzy.
shape. Stable one, just in the orientation that had been expected.
We should have much better video of this in this time, 2022. It's so hazy, and it's not my cell phone doing this. It's actually the way the video looks live on NASA's live stream on YouTube. Wow, we caught it. We missed some of the blackouts today. They had 2 blackouts. So we know what that means. So yeah, now it's time for us to make our intentions from our visitation on the moon to the high temple, to the, coming from the De Beer, where God spoke in the hindmost
This is
temple.
Mission Control Houston. Once again, the Orion spacecraft, having completed a journey of 1.4 million miles, bobbing gently in the Pacific Ocean, 4 out of its 5 crew module uprighting system bags have been deployed. We're standing by for word on the 5th. However, irrespectful of that,
That's
it is in stable
80%.
1 configuration in good shape, according to the recovery team. And we are now receiving word that all 5 of the crew module uprighting system bags are fully inflated.
55.
So that's exactly what we had hoped for. Orion safely bobbing up and down in the Pacific Ocean.
Bobbing. Baba.